Welcome to ZoomInData, your trusted destination for mastering data and analytics interviews. In this video, we explore 25 essential interview questions on data ingestion in Microsoft Fabric, explained with very detailed, interview-oriented answers in a clear and structured format. This session is ideal for data engineers, BI developers, data architects, and freshers preparing for Microsoft Fabric interviews. 1. What is data ingestion in Microsoft Fabric? Data ingestion is the process of collecting data from multiple sources and bringing it into Fabric for processing and analytics. It supports both structured and unstructured data. Ingestion is the first step of the analytics lifecycle. Reliable ingestion ensures trusted downstream analytics. 2. What ingestion methods are available in Fabric? Batch ingestion for scheduled data loads. Real-time streaming ingestion for live data. File-based ingestion from storage systems. API-based ingestion from applications. 3. How does Fabric support batch ingestion? Uses pipelines and data flows for scheduled loads. Supports large-scale batch processing. Enables transformation during ingestion. Integrates directly with OneLake. 4. How does Fabric support real-time ingestion? Uses event streams and streaming pipelines. Supports low-latency data capture. Processes continuous data flows. Powers real-time analytics and dashboards. 5. How does Fabric handle large data ingestion? Uses distributed processing engines. Supports parallel data loading. Optimizes throughput automatically. Maintains performance at scale. 6. How does Fabric ensure ingestion reliability? Implements retry mechanisms. Supports checkpointing and recovery. Ensures exactly once processing. Protects against data loss. 7. How does Fabric manage ingestion errors? Detects errors during ingestion. Logs failures with detailed diagnostics. Supports automated retry and correction. Enables quick troubleshooting. 7. How does Fabric manage ingestion errors? Detects errors during ingestion. Logs failures with detailed diagnostics. Supports automated retry and correction. Enables quick troubleshooting. 8. How does Fabric handle schema changes during ingestion? Supports schema evolution. Validates incoming data structures. Prevents breaking downstream pipelines. Maintains data integrity. 9. How does Fabric support incremental ingestion? Tracks last successful ingestion state. Ingests only new or changed data. Reduces processing time and cost. Improves pipeline efficiency. 10. How does Fabric integrate with external data sources? Connects to databases, APIs, files, and SaaS applications. Supports cloud and on-premises systems. Uses secure connectivity methods. Simplifies enterprise integration. 11. How does Fabric optimize ingestion performance? Parallelizes data ingestion. Uses efficient data formats. Minimizes data movement. Automatically scales compute. 12. How does Fabric manage ingestion scheduling? Supports time-based triggers. Allows event-based execution. Enables dependency management. Automates pipeline execution. 13. How does Fabric handle ingestion monitoring? Provides built-in monitoring dashboards. Tracks ingestion success and failures. Measures performance metrics. Enables proactive issue resolution. 14. How does Fabric secure ingestion pipelines? Enforces authentication and authorization. encrypts data in transit, applies role-based access control, protects sensitive data. 15. How does Fabric support parallel ingestion? Splits workloads across multiple compute nodes, processes data concurrently, maximizes throughput, reduces ingestion time. 16. How does Fabric manage ingestion metadata? Stores schema and lineage information, tracks ingestion history and versions, supports governance and auditing, enables impact analysis. 17. How does Fabric validate ingested data? Applies data quality rules, checks schema compliance, flags invalid records, prevents corrupted data from entering the system. 18. How does Fabric handle duplicate records? Detects duplicates during ingestion, applies deduplication logic, maintains clean datasets, improves analytics accuracy. 19. How does Fabric ensure data consistency during ingestion? Uses transactional ingestion, prevents partial writes, supports rollback on failures, guarantees reliable datasets. 20. How does Fabric manage ingestion costs? Optimizes compute usage dynamically, uses incremental ingestion strategies, minimizes redundant processing, controls resource consumption. 21. How does Fabric scale ingestion workloads? Automatically scales compute and storage, handles growing data volumes, supports high concurrency, maintains performance stability. 22. How does Fabric support hybrid ingestion architectures? Integrates on-premises and cloud sources, uses secure gateways, supports hybrid pipelines, enables flexible data movement. 23. How does Fabric integrate ingestion with OneLake? All ingested data is stored in OneLake, enables unified data access, applies governance and security centrally, supports downstream analytics seamlessly. 24. How does Fabric handle ingestion rollback? Supports transaction rollback on failures, restores previous data state, prevents data corruption, ensures reliable ingestion processes. 25. What are best practices for data ingestion in Fabric? Use incremental ingestion wherever possible. Implement strong validation and monitoring. Secure pipelines properly. Optimize performance and cost continuously. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe and save for your interview preparation. If you want more questions on real-time projects, contact ZoomInData.